Our dentists expect to provide more than $1 million in free dental services this year, and they are so grateful for the support and partnerships of others in their communities that make these events happen. And finally, the reason for this program, the children who are here today to receive dental care. I can't wait to see the smiles on their faces as they leave today. All of us need to spread the message about the importance of good oral health and help these youngsters preserve their smiles for decades.
And we all know stories. We all know that if children don't get the kind of dental health care they should, that we know what happens to them later in life. We know that they're much more likely to get sick. They're much less likely to learn in school because of toothaches. They're much more likely to be sick as they grow older into their teen years and into their adult years. They're much less likely to be able to find a job because of the way that their mouth looks, because they haven't had the kind of dental care that most of us get as grade schoolers and as teenagers. And that's what's so important about all the work that you do. All of you are so important in dealing with the issue and combating the issue of child dental illness. And when you think about how important this is, all of this matters so much for children's dental health.
Our children are our greatest asset, and they deserve to go to school without pain from untreated dental disease. We must continue to educate our school officials, our children, our families, and the community about the importance of oral hygiene and keeping the mouth and smile healthy. Oral health education is important and should be emphasized.
This is a tremendous outpouring from the community of support for something that we see as critically important at the Ohio Department of Health, and that is oral health. And so we repeatedly say oral health care is health care. So when I was 4 years old, my first experience with health care was dental health care. And we would go to the health department to see the dentist there. And that dentist was the most caring, compassionate person that I remember in my whole life, as I had those early impressions of what it meant to be a health care deliverer, someone involved in helping others the way dentists help them.